In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom mode in Dead Cells. So in order to actually utilize that custom mode, you can head over and as you can see, I have this fandom article that can help us. So custom mode is an unlockable mode in Dead Cells that allows a player to adjust runs in multitude of ways. So this is actually available by absorbing the customization rune obtained from killing a unique elite zombie at the start of round parts. So make sure that you have this rune right here in order to get that. Now, this mode actually allows limiting the item, mutation, and output pools while enabling and disabling meta modifiers such as amount flash charges and other sorting items. This mode only allows using items that have been unlocked through the collector in normal mode, and however, items unlocked or obtained in custom mode still carry over to normal mode. So in order to get those, you can navigate through the mode by just using the normal Q and E space and exit. Now, in order to utilize that, you first need to have the customization rune, and then after that, you should be able to use that if ever for this as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.